Hello, Kimara Hashiv and Jew is Misha Joseph, Hami and Shaw, and Paslik and Alaba with another set of questions that we're going through. My exam's coming up on Friday. I'm doing my best to get through as many questions and conversation as possible in Gaelic, just to make sure that I'm prepared. I'll need to go easy though, because my voice is becoming a bit hoarse and I don't want to lose it. That would be funny by Friday. So here we are, more questions today. Let's get started. Han amser ma and June So the weather is good today, isn't it? She fesker ma hon an paslich. Ha e fuur an paslich, ha e pla an paslich. Ha amser ma an paslich. Kimmer ha to Charijin. Gleva mo Charijin gleva. Gleva hashin an Glasgow and Jew. Had ovraher and an hospital na chael. Chaneel ham ovraher and dachi. Maybe I need to change the answer there. Had ovraher and Thai, maybe, or I think I prefer a city with ands. So ham ovraher and Dunedin. He's in Edinburgh today. Cacheville do Chianver. I have no idea what that means. Do you know, I'm not good with rooms, and I suspect that might be one, although I don't know. I might be thinking of Shomer. I know that definitely means room, but I don't know what that word is, so I'm going to leave that. And it reminds me just to check, because you might ask me where I'm calling from. The kitchen's always easy to say because it's the same, but I really need to recognize that word. Okay, ha and teacher ur tolikche and Jew nachael. So as you know, that's basically saying the new teacher is happy today, isn't he? Ha and teacher ur tolikche and Jew. Or Chaniel and teacher ur tolikche and Jew. Ha ebronach. He's sad, he's not happy. How anam bala beg na chael. Chaniel mi an bala beg. Hami an bala vor and Jew. Again, not sure about the H going in there, but I did my best. Avelu tolecci, avel hu tolecci and an ober akid. Hami tolecci and an ober akum. Hamiek ober anam Skype. Yeah, I like it. Haduvak and Tai akid nachael. Ha mac acum and Tai acum. So that question there is your son is in the house, yes? What I did was I changed that to I have a son, so that's wrong. I should have said ha movak and Tai acum nachael. That would be the correct answer there. Right, Kimera ha an amser an yn Glasgow. Ha e fuhr an yn Glasgow and Jew. How ans an office vor na chael, chaneo, hami, hami agin tai an office agin tai beck, a little office at home. Aveo car ur acet, chaneo, ha car ur movrahar eke. I'm not sure if I said that right. Let me think about that for a minute. So the question is, do you have a new car? And I'm saying chaneo car ur acum. Ha car ur movrahar eke. So my brother has a new car, not me. Hajelev ur akit aravala nachail. I don't know what that is. I've seen this a few times, jelev, here, but I don't know what it is. So I'm not going to answer that. I'm going to have to go away and practice it, jelev. Let's see. Ha and tai akit more agus snog nachail. Your house is big and nice, isn't it? Chanel, ha and tai acum beck. Ach, snog. So it's small but nice. Had your carriage computer ur feien chael. Now I don't know what that means either. This word here. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to highlight it. So I've got to practice it. Ha and car acid and an garage na chael. Chaneo ha and car acum and an tai. It's not in the garage, it's at home. When I say and tai without an S, it looks like it doesn't actually mean in the house, it just means at the house, agen tai. Aveo guitar ek dobraher. Ha guitar ek movrahar. That's my brother's guitar. The question there, I think, is asking, does your brother have a guitar? Yeah, I don't think I answered that correctly. Ha guitar ek movrahar, I think is the correct answer there. Or I could say chaneo movrahar guitar eki. My brother doesn't have a guitar. Haku snog ek and teacher nachael. Chanel. Haku snog ek and teacher nachael. I wanted to say no to that. The question is, the teacher has a nice dog. So I'm trying to say no, he doesn't have a nice dog. So Chanel teacher hakusnog? No. Hakusnog I can teacher. Hakusnog I can teacher Nechel. Hakusnog I can teacher. I'm not sure I can answer that. If I think about it logically, it will come, but this is the problem. It's taking too long. So I'm not sure quite what to say there. Hakusnog I can teacher. I can say ha. Hakusnog I can teacher. But if I say chaneo, the dog. No, I'm just going to say ha for that one. I'm not sure how to say that the dog isn't nice. Okay, so han tai akit bra na kale. So for that one, I would respond Chaniel and tai akit bra. The house isn't bra, but what did I do wrong there? Yeah, I should have used acum. Ha and tai acum bra. I need to change it to me. Chaniel, Chaniel and tai acum bra. Avio kuno cat and tai akit. Ha ha cat acum and tai acum. I have a cat in my house. Kacheveo na lyrican, I think that's asking about the library. This came up, I think, the other day. It's either where are the books or where's the library. I'm not sure about that. But definitely it's related somehow or other. So I'm just going to check to see what that is. 1 second. No, I'm not getting any translation there through my notes. Let me just have another look. 1 second. No, I can't get any answer to that. I'll need to check what that means, which is fair enough. Okay, so I'll just highlight that for later. Avelu akan farti andrasta. Avelu it was ek. Avelu ek a farti andrasta. Chaneu hami agentai andrasta. I'm not at a party. Ha fish vor ans avala show na chael. Okay, so that just means the big music festival is in this town. Yes. Chaneu Fisacum? I don't know. I guess I could say Chaneu fish vor anzavala show. Avail and I think it's Gim. Avail and Gim are on television. It might be Gim, I'll need to check. Ha and Gim are in television. Okay, the next one, Tachartas. I don't know what that means, so I'm going to leave it. The same with the one after that. And I don't recognize number 66 either. Taspin? No. I'll just highlight those to check them. Let's see. Ha and program ur ma nachel. Ha and program ur ma. The new program is good. Yeah, that's great. Right. We need to go back and check out some of these questions at the top that I know I'm going to be asked. Now, as you know, my weakness is talking about family. I've also got issues with my past, but who hasn't? Meaning the past tense, but I'm pleased to say the past tense isn't part of this exam, so I don't need to worry about that. Right, so let's start from the bottom here. Avelo parakit. Hamia koper erlinja. Katje velua koper. Hamia koper erlinja aan een Skype. Avelo per ak tu vrager. Um, ha mo vrachar ac ober an an garage an in Glasgow. Okay, so I think that's all. Cachavel would mean the same. Okay, where? Okay, so very good, very good. Let's move up. Oh yeah, it's a family one. Dear, if she asks me about these, yeah, I won't be happy, but I'll do my best. Right. Have you chelach or chelach? Have you chelach akit? Ha mi posta agus ha mi own vrahar. Gleva J antenum J antenum J antenum to Ven. She Maria ahora. Maria, Gleva. Mhm. J antenum a her to Vrahar. She Andra a her. Gleva Andra. Mhm. Anveo Mac o Nien Eke. O anveo Mac no Nien ek to Vrahar. Ha on vac she Paul. She Paul a her. Mhm. Gleva. Let's see what else. Yeah, I've written some of these here. Ha mi posta agus ha on vrahar akum. Okay, let me just move further up. Oh, yeah, these are the ones about living. Where do you live? Okay, let me just try some of these. Okay, so can't you wel hoe a furach ha mi a furach an an paslich? Aha. Can't you wel to vrachar a furach? Can't you wel to vrachar a furach? Ha mo vrachar a furach an an Glasgow. Can't you wel u andrasta no anish? That means where are you now? Just now is andrasta, anish means now. Okay, hami an paslich. Catcheville andra, hanyo fisakum. Ha movrahar afurach an an Glasgow, or ha mofurach. That's where he lives, but I could just say ha movrahar an an kitchen andrasta agentai. He's in the kitchen at home, whatever that is. Catcheville afurach ha he lives in Edinburgh. Okay. Kosa hau hami a paslich. Kosa ha ha a paslich kachuk kushchuk also. And if you had a sister, kosa ha ye. Do you know, I'm not going to tell her anything. I'm just going to say that I have one brother, and it'll keep numbers down, I think. Yeah, did I miss a bit there? Oh, okay, yeah, the weather, of course. We can't have any exam in the UK without talking about the weather. So, Kimaraha and teacher Annan Paisley and you. Ha e fur, no, or she feskerma home. Kimaraha and balla. Cliva, ha e snog, ach, Gleva. It's nice, but it's okay. Yeah, I guess I should say ha isnog agus fluch. It's nice and wet. Does that sound a bit strange? Kamaraha and teche. Okay, that just means how's the place. Now, the pronunciation there, I'm not too sure about. Teacher is definitely weather. Teche, I need to see if I'm saying that right. I think it's etche, I think. Okay, so there we are. I'll need to again go over this tomorrow about the names, but it's getting better, getting easier. The more I talk with you guys, the easier it gets. So I'm happy about that. So that's another 20 minutes of Gaelic there. So thank you so much for being here with me, Martian Net, Chidi and Razda.